Welcome back, high-value men. We've all been there, that gut-wrenching feeling when the girl of your dreams seems to have moved on, leaving you wondering if she even cares. But guess what? There's still hope. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 proven tricks to make her think of you constantly and create a magnetic connection that she just can't resist. So, stay tuned till the end, because you're about to unlock the secrets of becoming the high-value man she can't forget. Trick 1. Create mystique and space. Our first trick, gentlemen, is all about creating that mystique that keeps her intrigued and wanting more. Remember, absence makes the heart grow fonder. You need to give her space and time apart. This will pique her curiosity, and she might even start imagining you having a blast with other girls. The key here is showing her that you're independent and can handle life without her. Don't forget the small things either. Give her a unique nickname that only you two share, something related to her favorite things. Whenever she hears it, it'll instantly remind her of you and your special bond. And when she posts something online, don't rush to like it. Make her wonder if you've even seen it. This mystery will keep her interested and thinking about you, even when you're miles apart. Remember, it's all about that perfect blend of distance, mystery, and connection. Trick 2. Stop chasing her. Gentlemen, it's time to master the art of not chasing after her. Women love a challenge, someone who has their own opinions and doesn't always agree with them. Make her see that she's not the center of your universe. That's the secret. Focus on improving your own life, and she'll naturally become more interested in you. By making space and keeping some mystery, you'll ignite her curiosity. She'll start imagining your life and activities, creating stories of your adventures in love. Rejection can often be the twist of fate that makes her want you more. Trick 3. Make her jealous. Jealousy can be a powerful tool to spark her curiosity, gentlemen. Imagine this scenario. You post pictures with your friends, and there's a girl in there. You tag a woman in your photos, but subtly, so it's not immediately obvious. It's like sending her a secret message that'll make her wonder. She'll inevitably check the tagged woman's page, trying to decode what's going on, and her imagination will run wild. Remember, it's not about playing games or making up stories. It's about making her think and getting her interested. Let her create her own narratives, and soon enough, she'll find herself thinking about you more and more. The mystery and intrigue you've carefully cultivated will have her captivated, and she'll start questioning her own feelings as she becomes increasingly drawn to the enigmatic allure you've created. So, gentlemen, use this tool wisely to keep her curiosity piqued. Trick 4. Make her realize what she's losing. Now, let's delve into the art of making her realize what she's losing. It's a game of subtlety that involves creating a sense of longing and fear of missing out. To begin with, demonstrate that you're a high-value man with a thriving life. Showcase your status, proactive attitude, sense of purpose, self-responsibility, and courage. Let her see that you're not just any guy, you're something special. Show her that you're doing just fine without her as your partner. Drop hints that you're not sitting around, waiting for her to come back into your life. These strategies will plant seeds of doubt in her mind, making her question whether she's potentially losing something exceptionally valuable. It's like giving her a taste of the fear of loss. Remember, the key is to be genuine in your pursuits and show her your worth through your actions, not just words. Trick 5. Don't be eager. While it might be tempting to show your excitement, it's crucial to resist this urge. Displaying too much eagerness can backfire in the intricate dance of attraction. Think of it as revealing your cards too early in this high-stakes game. Instead, adopt a composed approach. Keep your responses succinct and to the point. Avoid overemphasizing your enthusiasm, as it could unintentionally convey that you've been anxiously awaiting her every move. By maintaining a level-headed demeanor, you create an air of self-assuredness and independence. This, in turn, encourages her to see you as a man who values his own time and pursuits, which is incredibly attractive. So remember, when she reaches out, take your time to respond thoughtfully and let the anticipation simmer. It's all part of the intrigue that keeps her captivated and thinking about you constantly. Trick 6. Show her you're chilling. Now, gentlemen, let's talk about a crucial aspect of making her think about you constantly, showing her that you're not sitting idly, waiting for her return. When she starts contemplating you, her first destination is often social media, the modern window into people's lives. To maintain her interest and curiosity, it's essential to use this platform wisely. Update your profiles with snapshots of your life's adventures, achievements, and moments of joy. Let her see that you're not merely existing, but thriving and evolving. Share those subtle hints of your journey, conveying the message that you're active, adventurous, and continuously progressing. However, it's vital to strike a balance. This isn't about showing off or bragging. It's about demonstrating that you're living a fulfilling life. By sharing glimpses of your world, you're inviting her to become part of your narrative. You're igniting her desire to be a part of the excitement and experiences you're having. Moreover, this approach sends a powerful message that you're a man of substance who values his time and pursuits. It makes her feel like joining your journey would be a rewarding adventure. So, gentlemen, remember that your social media presence is a tool to keep her captivated and yearning to be a part of your thriving life. It's about creating an irresistible allure that draws her closer to you with every post. Trick 7. Make your move. Finally, it's time to make your move, gentlemen. By this point, she's likely noticed the transformation in you. She's witnessed your independence, your thriving life, and the mystery you've artfully woven around yourself. You've ignited her curiosity and made her crave your presence. As you approach this critical moment, remember that it doesn't matter how many moves you've made or how many strategies you've employed. It all comes down to this last, decisive step. The stage is set, and her eyes are on you. She's seen you living your best life, not giving her any undue attention, and being the cool and confident guy who has so much to offer. When she finally realizes your worth and starts missing you, it's time to make your move. Play that song that holds a special place in her heart, one that she can't resist dancing to. But be mindful, this isn't about storming back into her life. It's about reintroducing yourself subtly. Walk up to her with confidence, as if you're entering a room you own. Start a conversation, look into her eyes, and let your smile light up your face like fireworks on the 4th of July. This is your moment to use all the tools and tricks you've collected along the way. Have a genuine and engaging conversation. Compliment her smoothly, like a seasoned dart player landing a perfect shot. The goal here is to create a connection that reminds her of the amazing bond you once shared. Importantly, you want to avoid creating any further doubts or delays in her mind, making her think someone else might be stepping in. Seize the moment and make your move. If you've executed the previous tricks correctly, that call or meeting will happen sooner than you can blink. Remember, it's not about manipulation, but creating an irresistible aura that draws her back to you. Be the high-value man she can't forget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more valuable content. And always remember, becoming the high-value man you were meant to be is a journey worth taking. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.